one of the guns I had on the table last time, but we didn't have enough oxygen tanks and I didn't get to shoot. So here's our tank.
You say don't go nowhere.
Don't go nowhere. Oh, this is a bigger gun. That's why it went somewhere.
Oh, that one is nice.
That one had a nice spinning. Okay, let's dump this one in the lake.
I'm ready.
Nice. Okay, let's go check, see what happened. Okay, I swear, if anybody laughs at me, I'm gonna get so angry. You better not say anything. I forgot my magazine for the 6.5 Creedmoor.